Today's lesson is about derivative rules of a logarithm function. If y equals the natural log of x, then the derivative of a natural log of x equals 1 over x. We can write down this way. If y equals log base b of x, then the derivative will be 1 over x natural log of b. Now I will show you why. First of all, we have a change of a base formula for logarithm. For log base b of a, I can write down log base c of b, log base c of a. Therefore, for log base b of x, I can write down natural log of x over natural log of b. When we do derivative for log base b of x, which means we do derivative of natural log of x over natural log of b. Natural log of b, this is a coefficient, constant. Therefore, you will get 1 over natural log of b. Natural log of x, the derivative will be 1 over x. So we multiply by 1 over x. Put this together, you will get 1 over x times the natural log of b. Now, let's do some practice. Find the gradient function of the following functions. For the a, y equals natural log of x minus x squared. First of all, you will do the derivative of natural log. That will be 1 over x minus x squared. Then you have to use chain rule to do the derivative of this. That will be 1 minus 2x. Therefore, 1 minus 2x over x minus x squared will be the derivative of a. Let's go to b. Derivative of square root, natural log of x. First of all, you got to use power rule. That is the square root of x. Derivative will be 1/2. 1 over square root of x. So we can write down 1/2 times 1 over square root of natural log of x. Then do the derivative of inside natural log of x. That will be 1 over x. So we organize. You will get the 2x square root natural log of x. Top is 1. Now let's go to c. For this c, you have to do the product rule of a derivative. That is a derivative of uv. It's a derivative of u times v plus u times the derivative of v. Therefore, you will get derivative of square root of x times the natural log of 2x. Then plus square root of x times the derivative of natural log of 2x. For derivative of square root of x, that will be 1/2. 1 over square root of x times the natural log of 2x. Then plus square root of x times derivative of natural log of 2x will be 1 over 2x. Then you have to do the derivative of 2x will be 2. Now we organize. You will get the 2 square root of x. Top will be natural log of 2x, then plus 2 is gone. So you have square root of x over x. Now let's go to D. Derivative of y equals derivative of natural log of x over 2x. You have to use the quotient rule for this, which means u over v. Derivative for that equals denominator square. Then derivative of u times v minus u times derivative of v. Therefore, first of all, you have to do 2x squared. Then working on natural log of x, we do derivative times 2x minus natural log of x times the derivative of 2x. You will get 4x squared as denominator. 1 over x times 2x minus natural log of x times 2. So we organize. Reduce x. We have 2 left minus 2 natural log of x. Denominator is 4x squared. Common factor is 2. Therefore, you will get 1 minus natural log of x over 2x squared. Now let's go to E. Derivative of y means derivative of this function. First of all, you know that this is a cubic function, so you have to use the power rule first. So you will get the 3 times natural log of 2x plus 1, then square. Next step, you got to do derivative of natural log. That will be 1 over 2x plus 1. Then you have to do the derivative of 2x plus 1, then times 2. So we organize. Denominator will be 2x plus 1. Top, you will get the 6 times natural log of 2x plus 1, then square. You compare to this function, if we want to do the derivative of natural log 2x plus 1 to the third power. When we do the derivative for this, first of all, you will see this is a natural log function. So you will get 1 over 2x plus 1 to the third power. Then do the derivative of 2x plus 1 to the third power. That will be power rule. 3 times 2x plus 1 squared. Then you do derivative of 2x plus 1, that's 2. So we organize. You will get 6 2x plus 1 squared over 2x plus 1 to the third power. Reduce. Denominator will be 2x plus 1. So you will get 6 over 2x plus 1. Hopefully, you could see the difference between this function and this function. When you do the derivative, what's the first step? Y. For the f, do the derivative of this y means the derivative of this function. We know this is a natural log function, so we do 1 over x times. Then we do the derivative of x to the negative first power. That will be negative 1 times 1 over x squared. This is a jump. You will get the x times -1 times 1 over x squared. Reduce. You will get the -1 over x. Let's go to guided practice 4. Use the logarithm laws to help differentiate with respect to x. We use this expansion law of logarithm. So when this argument multiplication, I can expand by addition here. When quotient of argument, you will do the subtraction. Then if you have this n, you will drop down to the multiplication. For the a, first of all, I will do the expansion. Natural log of x plus natural log of square root 2 minus x. Since 2 minus x, that 1/2 power means square root of 2 minus x. So you can write down natural log of x plus 1/2 natural log of 2 minus x. Then when you do the derivative of y means you do derivative of natural log of x plus 1/2 natural log of 2 minus x. Natural log of x derivative will be 1 over x plus 1/2 times 1 over 2 minus x. Then you do the derivative of this argument, that will be -1. So we organize, you will get 1 over x minus 2 times 2 minus x, top is 1. Then we do the distributive property, 1 over x minus 4 minus 2x is 1 over. This will be the final answer. Now let's go to B. Still, we do the expansion first. You will get the y equals natural log of e to the x power plus natural log of square root of x. Natural log of e to the x power, that means x. Because log base a of a to the x power equals x. Then plus 1/2 natural log of x. When you do the derivative of this y means we do derivative of x plus 1/2 natural log of x. Derivative of x means 1 plus 1/2 times. Derivative of natural log of x means 1 over x. So you will get the 1 plus 1 over 2x will be the solution. Now let's go to C. First of all, we do the expansion. Natural log of x squared plus 2x minus natural log of x minus 5. Therefore, derivative of fx equals the derivative of this function. So derivative of natural log, that means 1 over x squared plus 2x. Then use chain rule, do the derivative of this argument. That will be 2x plus 2. Then minus derivative for this natural log will be 1 over x minus 5. Then do the derivative of x minus 5, that's 1. Now we organize. You will get the x squared plus 2x. Top will be 2x plus 2. Then minus 1 over x minus 5. This will be the solution for C. Now let's go to D. We do the expansion first. So natural log of x plus 3 minus natural log of x minus 1. Derivative for y means derivative to this function. So you will get 1 over x plus 3 times 1. Using chain rule, do the derivative of x plus 3 minus 1 over x minus 1 times derivative of x minus 1 will be 1. So your answer will be 1 over x plus 3 minus 1 over x plus 1.